Hey y'all, it's Amika, and I'm back. I'm just kidding, I've literally never made a video on this channel before. I'm actually not even making this video, like, for fun. Actually, no, I am making it for fun. But, oh guys, look at my tooth gem. Okay. Anyways, guys, y'all have well, not y'all. I'm acting like I have fans on here. This is literally for my friends. I'm gonna be sending the link to this for my friends every time they ask for a makeup tutorial because guess the freak what? My friends have been begging on their hands and knees for a makeup tutorial. And you know what? I'm here to deliver. Okay, y'all are gonna like hunt me down with pitchforks and torches for this. Every time I say that I don't use primer, everyone's like, okay, I don't use primer, like I don't use primer, like it's fine, like it's not a big deal, like I don't use primer. You know what? As long as you have good skin prep, you're fine. You're chilling. I always cleanse my face, double cleanse before I do my makeup. Even if I do it in the evening, I wash my face before. Just cleanse. Or like really get in there. Scrubbing and dubbing for like 2 whole minutes. And then I tone, and then I moisturize, and then I put my makeup on. So I already cleaned my face. I'm not gonna record me washing my face. Y'all are funny if you think that I'm gonna be recording that. I did used to have really bad acne, and people have also been asking me for a skincare routine because look at my skin now. It's not perfect, but it's way better than it was before. I might record that then. The first step is moisturize. This is also for my skincare, but I do this whenever I'm doing makeup. I use the CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion. I only use the night version. I don't use the daytime version. I use this during all times of the day. The daytime version has like sunscreen in it. It has like a white cast, and it looks really ugly on me because I'm Indian and brown and dark. I put this over top. I'm not gonna do sunscreen right now because I'm not gonna go outside. It's the La Roche. Okay, this isn't working out. The La Roche-Posay 50 SPF Mineral Sunscreen is what I use. I do like half a pump on the 5 points of my face, which is like my nose, each of my cheeks, my forehead, and my chin. In the night, I'll do a full pump. I really want to wake up with like supple skin. I feel shiny and soft and moist. Okay, I used to not wear foundation because I used to hate foundation. It felt too thick and disgusting. But then when I got acne, I used to have to hide it, and I could not hide it with just concealer, so I had to use foundation. I don't really like to use foundation, but I just use a little bit anyway. So this is the foundation. Oh, you can't really see it. Sorry guys, my makeup is like disgusting. Clean Girl Core, whoops, whoops. Basically this is the True Match foundation in the shade. I couldn't tell you what shade this is in. It's this. This is the color of it. It matches my skin good. I would have to go to Target and like literally bring the bottle if I wanted to shade match it again. I put like the tiniest dot, like here, and then. No, I'm not gonna do it on my nose. Maybe I'll put another one like here, like near my jaw-ish. No, it got in my hair. Okay, let me try to brush that out. Okay, I tried to get that out. I don't know if it worked. You don't know, I'm just gonna use some stuff from there here. And then I'm gonna put like whatever's left on like the nozzle thing on like my skin. I'm not even gonna squeeze it. Like I try to use as little foundation as I can because I really do not like that thick feeling of just foundation like on my skin. I hate it. I literally only used to do it because I had like terrible acne. That was the only way I could hide the redness. But yeah. Okay, and then I'm gonna use this crusty foundation brush. Do not mind that. I actually usually wash my brushes. I don't know why it's so oh, it's because I just went on spring break and I didn't wash my brushes there. Okay, my brother's in the bathroom, but I'm not gonna just shh. But basically, okay, I'm kind of scared. If he walks in the middle of my video, I'm gonna be really annoyed. Okay, whatever. So I'm gonna use this foundation brush to kind of spread it out, not really blend it, just watch. So I do is I spread it out with my crusty foundation brush. What this does is it basically just clears up my redness and like my acne scars. It does what it needs to do. It does what it needs to do, so I'm fine with that. I used to just use concealer, but I used to use a lot of concealer, and now I use foundation too. So I basically use this to spread it out. It's really streaky, really gross, just you wait. So now after I do that, I look really glowy, really nice. Use this beauty blender. This beauty blender was actually originally like a light pastel yellow. Clearly it's been through it, but now I'm gonna use this and just really melt that foundation into my face. Okay, the only issue with this is if you have acne prone skin, the only reason I'm not acne prone right now is because I'm literally on acne medication. But if you have acne prone skin, you probably shouldn't do this because it's really hard to get that makeup out of your pores after you brush it, and then you just slowly really get that makeup onto your skin. But this is the way I get the makeup to stay on my skin without using primer. So if you have good skin prep and you just really take your time on making sure your foundation really gets in your skin, then you're chilling. You do not need primer. Primer and setting spray are a huge waste of money in my opinion. So now that's the foundation looking nice and clear. So next I'm gonna go in with, okay, if I really want to look nice today, then I'll use this way too light concealer that I got in like, oh my god, pretty much exactly a year ago, because I remember getting it in spring of last year. So yeah, I got this exactly a year ago. There's only a little bit left. So I use this for like parties and stuff. Basically what I'll do, no, not in there, I'll need to use my mirror. But I'll do like, I'll have to like get it out of the thing. Hello? Oh, okay. Oh, it usually makes a noise. It didn't make a noise this time. Is this my concealer brush? Yeah, this one's my concealer brush. And then I use this. Okay, I use this thing. I get it onto the brush because I just hate this thing. It's too big. It's too big. I just go under my eye like this. I stamp it a few times and then I do it on this side. And then I go around my nose. I'm just going around my nose and under my eyes. Okay, so now that it's over, I got it over there. I'm gonna put some in between my eyebrows. And then I'm gonna put a little bit on my chin. Yeah, so this is where I do it. I put it here, around my nose, here, and then on my chin. Sometimes I put some back here. I don't think I really need to though. I used to do that when my scars were really bad, but my scars are actually pretty good now because I've been using a lot of tretinoin cream. So my scars are actually quite good. They're faded a lot. And I'm gonna blend this with my beauty blender. Get in there for everything. Okay. Ooh, that is really light, but it works. So I do that. I promise you it looks better in real life. It looks way too light on the phone. What's on my nose? Okay, this is what it looks like right now. I know I look like a crazy person, just you wait. There's a little red thing on my nose, so I'm just gonna use my beauty blender, use whatever is left over on it to try to conceal that up. And yeah, this looks good. So let me just go ahead and fix my hair a little bit. I should be using clips, but I look like jump scare. Like, next what I do is I use this. I want to get the translucent one, but right now I use this. It's the Fit Me 230 matte plus poreless powder, and it's like a pressed powder. It's not loose. It's like this. Oh my god, it looks so bright on. Oh my god, that's not the color. That's literally not the color. It's just really bright because of the flash. Okay, and I use this kind of brush. I use a very tight, very like condensed brush. I meant dense. I use a very dense brush, and it's like really like packed, and it's just a really like fixed shape like this. And I go like this. I like swirl it a couple times, and then I just stamp it. I literally just stamp. Wait, no, first I have to get a lot of the powder off because I don't need that much. In the winter, I use a bit more powder, but in the summer, I do not use that much powder. And then I'm just gonna go under my eye with that. And this really helps the concealer so that it doesn't crease. So that's why I use this. I use this so it doesn't crease or separate, and it actually works really good. That's what I'm doing. Okay, and it takes away like that weird like shine. I like to put too much because it only works over here. Whenever I put it here or here, I don't know why, it makes it worse. Like, it separates it worse. So I'm just gonna put like one dot and a little bit here just to remove the shininess. I don't know if it really does anything on camera, but in person it makes a difference. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a contour, and I use this. It's by Artistry. It's okay, y'all are gonna like, no one likes that I do it, but I don't really care. So what I do is I take like this fluffy brush. It's supposed to be like an eyeshadow brush or something. It's like this tiny little fluffy brush, and then I just dip it into this darker shade on this contour thing. Oh my gosh, you can barely see it, but I kind of dip it in here. And what I do is I just like, I scrunch my nose, and I just go here, like where all the scrunches and wrinkles are. And what this does is when I put the highlight on, it makes the highlight stand out more. So I'm gonna go like that. Ever since I learned this trick, I've been obsessed with it. I love this trick so much. Some people think it looks like mud on your face. I think it looks cute. So I'll like do it like this, and then I'll pinch it with my fingers. And then I go like that. I know, that's kind of ratchet. It's really ratchet, but like I do it. I don't care. So I just go like that, like on the sides of my nose. There's no like specific map I follow or anything. I just kind of follow my hearts. Okay, I follow my hearts, and so I've made the lines. Okay, so I'm gonna put one right under the tip of my nose here. That's cute. Okay, and then that's the dark contour, and then I'm just gonna clean it a bit right now by just doing this. Next, to highlight, oh my god, I freaking am obsessed with this highlighter. I'm literally obsessed with it. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. It's so beautiful. Like, oh my gosh, like, are you kidding? Like, are you kidding? Oh my god, you can't even see it. Ugh. Can you see it? You can't even see it. That makes me mad. Okay, whatever. You can't see my finger, but if you saw it, you would see it's blinding. And I literally swiped it one time on the thing. I'm gonna use like this. It's like this kind of brush. It's like, oh, it's like really skinny. It's like a line. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put like a line way on the tip, and then a line in the middle of my nose. Okay, blend that out a bit. I also have nowhere to go. I literally just have to walk my dog. But I just was bored, so I just made this anyway. So it looks like this. Okay, and then next, for blush. Okay, for blush, it depends. I've been trying Benetint because my friend has been trying to put me on Benetint for so long. But I don't know, it's really not that great. I don't know, I'm not a huge fan of liquid blush, but like it's okay, I guess. So I'm just gonna do it because that's what I use right now. But that's mainly just because I don't have a better blush right now at all. Like I ran out of blush and then I got the Benetint. So, but like, it's okay, I guess. Like it's not like I've used better things though. But like it's good. Like I can see why people like it as much as they do. Also what it does, it kind of takes off my foundation a bit. So you can kind of see the scars in that area. But it's fine. And then, okay, I'm almost done. So now that that's done, it's time for lips. So for lips, okay, I have like so many lip liners. Today I'll use Nutmeg. It's the NYX lip liner. And okay, this is really weird. I literally just connect, I keep this bow, and I'll like round it out a bit. And that's all I do. And then I'll do like a little line underneath if I'm feeling spicy. And that's what I do for my lips. Sometimes I'll do a lip gloss if I really feel like it that day. But what this does, it just makes my lips pop a lot more. And then after that, I use this waterline thing, and it's really good. It doesn't really matter where it's from. I just really like this one because it's super creamy, and I barely have to touch my face for it to work. And then what I do is I kind of drag it out. I don't do eyeliner. I just drag it out of my waterline with my finger, and I go like that. And it creates like this smoky like eyeliner effect that I really like. Some people don't like it. Some people think it looks messy. I like it though. But yeah, my mom doesn't like it. My mom says it looks like I just woke up, but I like it. Next, I'm gonna curl my lashes. To curl my lashes, I use this e.l.f. curler. I have a better Russian one, but it's in my backpack, and I don't use it that much. It's way better though. I should probably use this one in my backpack and put that one here. But it doesn't really matter. In my opinion, I just use whatever curler. I really like this curler though. Okay, now I've curled my lashes. They look really good. I'm gonna go in with this. It's the Lash Princess green one. What I do is I only go on the tips of my lashes. I don't know why. I don't know why I do this. I've just always done this, and it helps it stay up. Yeah, it really helps it stay up. I mean, it helps them stay up. So I don't do them on the whole lash. I just do them on the tips. Okay, and that is it. That's all I do for my makeup. I think it looks really cute. This is what I do to school if I have time. If I don't have time, I just go on with foundation. But this is the final makeup look. Really good. I really like it. But yeah, okay. I would really appreciate if you guys liked, commented, and subscribed, okay? Because why not? I want to be famous. Comment what you want to see because I'll literally make anything. I'm so bored and I need something to do. So please comment stuff you guys want to see and like this video and subscribe and share it with your friends. Actually, maybe don't share it with your friends. And like, tell me more makeup tips. I feel like I did some stuff wrong. If y'all have any makeup recommendations, please comment them. I know it's my first video, but I think I want to start uploading more consistently because I used to have a channel and it got a little bit of traction. And then I quit. And I wish I never quit. So maybe I'll give this an actual real shot. But yeah. Okay. Bye.